Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about credit card tiers. But before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Anybody who uses credit cards for travel purposes know that credit cards are not all treated equally. Some will only give you a certain amount of points in a bonus category throughout the year, while others will give you premium travel benefits like first class lounge access, TSA pre-check, and loads more. Now obviously these credit cards that are going to have more benefits are going to have more requirements and may have a lot higher annual fee, while some of the other cards won't have an annual fee at all. Anybody that's really into travel credit cards will put these credit cards into different tiers. So there's a total of 5 tiers that we consider, and on this channel we really only talk about 3 of them, but we're going to go through all of them. So the first tier is credit building credit card. Now this tier you have really no benefits towards traveling. It allows you to really establish your credit. That's the main purpose of these credit cards, and if you don't have any credit, you're going to have to start here. Typically these cards are going to have lower available credit, and some of them are actually going to be secured credit cards where you have to actually pay in advance before they give you an available credit. So usually it's like $500 that you have to initially pay for you to be able to have $500 of available credit. Allows you to build up some trust with the credit card company. Now these cards are going to give you no benefits whatsoever for traveling. You're not going to be able to earn any points. There's not going to be any sign-up bonuses. Really, all you're doing with this is building your credit. That's it. The next tier is what we call entry-level credit cards. Now this is going to be the first tier of credit cards where you actually are able to earn points that you can use towards traveling and other spending. These do have sign-up bonuses. They usually are lower sign-up bonuses, but the amount of money that you need to spend to get it is very low. So the Chase Freedom cards, they have usually a $200 sign-up bonus when you spend $500 within the first 3 months. So that's really easy to do. Most people spend that on gas right now. Most of these cards do have a very unique way that you can earn points. So the Citi Custom Cash card, every single month you're able to get 5x points on your top spending category. So it rotates based on however much you're spending. So it could be on groceries, gas, many different types of categories, and whichever one you're spending the most in, that's the one that you're going to be able to get 5x on. In the Chase Freedom Flex card, it has a 5x on categories as well. However, it doesn't rotate based on your spending. It rotates every quarter. So again, it could be like wholesale clubs, it could be gas stations, it could be grocery stores, and every quarter it does change. So all you're going to need to do is look to see what category is giving you the 5x, and for us, I usually just rotate that card using that type of spending on that card so that I'm able to maximize my points. The next tier is mid-tier credit cards. Now these are going to give you more benefits, you're going to be able to earn more points, and you're going to have a larger sign-up bonus. However, with those features, you are going to have an annual fee. Typically, they're going to be around $100. Some may actually be a little lower than that, some might be even higher. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which has a $99 annual fee, it currently is offering 60,000 points when you spend $4,000. That's roughly about $750. So that's a whole lot more than what you'd be able to get with the Chase Freedom cards. And typically the points category, they don't revolve or anything like that, but you do just have larger categories. And a lot of these categories are focused around your daily spending. So with the American Express Gold card, it's 4 times points on restaurants and grocery stores. The next tier is what I call top tier credit cards. Now, this isn't actually the top tier, it's just the top that we discuss on this channel typically. Usually these are going to have really high annual fees of $500 and up. With that annual fee, you do get premium luxury benefits. A lot of these cards, they'll give you hotel credits, they'll give you airline credits, a credit for TSA pre-check or global entry. You'll receive lounge access, as well as membership access for different hotel groups like Hilton and Marriott. And again, these cards do really revolve around luxury travel. So a lot of your points that you're going to be able to earn are going to be focused on luxury travel. With the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, you're going to have 10x on hotels and 5x on flights. Now the last tier is invite only. Now this tier is the most exclusive tier. Not everybody's just going to be able to apply for one of these cards, and that's the reason why we typically don't talk about this tier, just because of the rarity of them. Two of the most known cards in this tier are the American Express Centurion card and the JP Morgan Reserve card. With the JP Morgan Reserve card, you need to have $10 million of assets that's managed by JP Morgan. And with the American Express Centurion card, you're going to need to spend $250,000 with American Express in a calendar year, and is going to have a $10,000 initiation fee and a $2,500 annual fee. So you can see why these cards are extremely rare. Not everybody's gonna spend $250,000 on a credit card or have $10 million with a specific bank. But these cards do offer really luxury, like having a personal concierge that's able to assist you with anything, whether it's last minute flights, first class flights, or things that are even more exclusive, like finding tickets to the Super Bowl or something insane like that. With this card, you do receive top status to different hotels, airlines, and car rental services. And then you do receive thousands of dollars of credits to different things like Saks Fifth, to delivery service, and loads of others. If you'd like to hear more about these invite-only credit cards and like to see me make a video on those, let me know in the comments down below. Those are the different credit card tiers that we discuss on this channel. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notification. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.